In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView password. First, open your preferred web browser and head to TradingView.com. If you're redirected to a regional version, that's okay, the process is the same. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see the sign-in options. Click there to open the sign-in panel. From the panel, choose the standard sign-in option. TradingView supports multiple ways to log in, but since we're resetting a password, we'll focus on the email method. Select the option to sign in with email to bring up the email login screen. On that screen, look for the link that says something like "I forgot password" or "Can't sign in." Click that link to start the recovery process. This takes you to a page where you can identify your account using the email address you used when you first signed up. In the email field, carefully type the email associated with your TradingView account. Double check for typos. Extra spaces or a misplaced character are common reasons recovery emails don't arrive. If you registered with a different method in the past, like a social login, make sure you're using the same email tied to your TradingView profile. Next, complete the CAPTCHA check. This quick verification helps confirm you're a real person and prevents automated abuse. Follow the on-screen instructions until the CAPTCHA is marked as complete. When that's done, click the search button. TradingView will look up your account, and if it finds a match, it will send a password reset link to the email address you entered. This email typically arrives within a few minutes, but depending on your provider, it can take longer. Open your inbox and look for the message from TradingView. If you don't see it right away, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folders. It's also a good idea to search your mail for the sender or the phrase password reset, in case it was filtered somewhere unexpected. If the email never shows up, try repeating the request and confirm you're using the correct address. You can also whitelist TradingView's domain to help future messages get through. That's it. You've requested the reset, and the email you receive will include a secure link that lets you update your password. When you use it, choose a strong, unique password you haven't used elsewhere and store it somewhere safe. Once you're done, you can return to TradingView.com and sign in with your updated credentials.